Welcome to Captain Videos.
And now it's time. Napakaganda naman ito.
I am Iron Man.
Actually, ano ba, yung backstory nito kasi when Sir Oscar and I was talking about Iron Man suit, nung mga time na hype pa ako kay Iron Man, parang pinakita na sa akin to ni Sir Oscar na magkakaroon nga ng 1-1 version ng Mark 50. Mark 50 was first seen sa silver screen nung Infinity Wars, the first part. This is the first suit that's built with nanotechnology. Diba nakita naman natin si Iron Man based dun sa mga Iron. Yung Infinity Wars is one of the movies closest to the conclusion of the Avengers series ng mga pelikula. In advance na talaga ni Tony Stark and made it to nanotechnology. So lahat naka-centralize na sa arc reactor. Tapos instantaneous lahat ng commands na nire-request niya dun sa suit niya kasi nga everything's built with nanotech. I'm so happy. At balita ko po ay maraming gustong marami pong may gusto ng ganitong klaseng armor, but it's just 66 pieces in the world by Queen Studios. And I'm lucky enough actually. Meron po ako nito. This certifies me as the owner of this bad boy here. So, grabe. Kailangan ko na talagang isipan kung saan ko ito ilalagay. Since 66 pieces lang siya around the world, this is one of the rarest armors, and of course by Queen Studios. So I'm very honored to have this, and of course I'd like to thank Sir Oscar and Nanotoys PH for this. Thank you again, like kagaya po ng sinasabi ko sa mga videos ko before, thank you for always bringing out the kid in me. So masarap kasi na bumabalik-balik because of what's happening right now. Syempre medyo trying times tayo. It's okay naman na kahit papano we have something na to look at and parang maisip natin na everything's gonna be okay eventually. So yun guys, thank you all for watching. I hope you had fun with me unboxing this bad boy right here. And of course, thank you po to Nanotoys PH for always bringing the best for your customers. And